What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be riding the Butterline that we just redid in our last video. Sadly, we will not be rebuilding another jump because it's going to rain all this week, so we're going to send this one. But yeah, I've been getting some comments about what my bike is. It's actually a YT Capra. I did do the custom wrap myself. It's a brand that not a lot of people know about. But yeah, it's an older one. It's actually aluminum, so it's not gonna crack and blow up like the old ones do. But yeah, custom gold it all myself. Got it for pretty dirt cheap, and now it's, but yeah, we're gonna be riding the Butterline and doing some tricks. The lip is nice and steep again, so I'm gonna try to do an X up on this bike. The bars might be a little wide, but I'm gonna try. Well, let's do it.